Hello and welcome to Sanam's Kitchen. Today's recipe is cauliflower and broccoli paratha. This is really healthy and very tasty, and it's very easy to prepare. So before we start, I want you to please subscribe my channel to support. So let's start. So I'm going to start by chopping broccoli and cauliflower into a chopper. So basically we are just going to make it into a rice of cauliflower, a rice of broccoli. You can also use frozen if you like. So here the rice of broccoli and cauliflower are ready. Now to that I'm going to add crushed green chilies and ginger, cumin seeds powder, salt as per taste, and I'm going to take the whole coriander seeds and slightly crush between my palm like this so that it has nice fragrance and flavor. So I'm going to mix this, and I'm going to add one medium-sized boiled potato which is peeled and mashed. So I'm going to mix this, and I'm going to add fresh cilantro or hara dhania. So our mix is ready. Now I'm going to use a roti dough, and you can watch the video. I'm going to link this into description box below. So I'm going to divide the dough into equal portion. So for the layering, I'm making top part and the bottom part. So I'm rolling both of them separately. This is the easiest way for me to make this. So it doesn't have to be round. You just randomly roll it like this, and I'm going to put the filling in and spread it evenly. And I'm going to take the roti and lay it over it and then seal the edges. Now I'm going to gently press it, and gently with the rolling pin I'm going to roll it so it just kind of stretches out and gets the even layer. Now to make it more tidy, I'm just going to trim up the edges. So that's why I said it doesn't have to be round when you roll it, because you're going to trim the edges. So here the paratha is ready. I'm going to heat the griddle and I'm going to roast it until you see some brown spots on both sides. I'm going to apply some oil. You can also use ghee or butter. And see, this is how the golden brown spots we want. Apply oil on both sides, and gently by pressing on a low heat I'm going to roast this. So it's perfectly cooked. Now I'm going to take it out on a serving plate, and I just divide it into 4 parts like this, and see how beautiful it looks. The color is vibrant. Check out my more videos on the link, and I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.